Okay, yeah, my name's Stephen Devon. My position at Hugh Baird College is a carpentry and joinery lecturer, teaching level 1 right through to level 2, level 3. It's the second time I've been up here, basically to show all the learners, obviously the up and coming machines, current and industry, and to showcase it basically to the learners and the machines that they're using at the college, and to see it at a different scale.
So my name's Rachel, I'm on level 3 bench. Yeah, absolutely. I think I've never seen anything like it before. Like I've been around CNC machines and laser cutters and stuff like that before, and the ones I saw I thought were like insane. And then coming here, I'm like, this is just next level. Like I remember walking in and I went, it's so clean in here. But I can't see any dust anywhere. If it's what you're expecting when you go into industry, it's beneficial for you to learn it while you can before, because then you can go into industry and be like, oh, I've seen this before, I know what I'm doing. You don't have to learn on the job then, you can go in and already be prepared, which I think is quite essential when starting a job.
So we've been receiving some training from yourself, staff training throughout the summer. We've got about 10 members of staff now trained on the machines that you've supplied to ourselves: wall saw, spindle, moulder, thicknesser, surface planer. So yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, 100%. I'd highly recommend it, especially staff training and for the learners to see what's current in the industry at the moment. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it.